We got another package, and you see the Vevor sign, but this came from Amazon. This was an Amazon order, and it was one of those items that it is literally cheaper to buy this from Amazon than it is to buy it from Vevor. But it is a Vevor product, so yeah, you tell me. It is packaged well. It's well taped. The box took a beating right here on something, but I mean it is taped. It is a heavy box, so yeah. I don't know where we're gonna cut this open at. I think it was $55 or $59, something like that, on Vevor, and it was $49 on Amazon, and I got free shipping with Amazon. So I always count the shipping in as part of what it cost me. I know some people don't. They say the price is what they're advertising, but for me, the price is what you got to pay for it. If I got to pay for shipping, then that's the price that I figure it's worth. Okay, now we have here our set of Crowsfoot, and these are not 3/8 inch drives. These are 1/2 inch drives. That was one of the few things that I had problem finding, that there was plenty of sets that were a 3/8 drive for the smaller ratchet. But if you're doing anything with any kind of torque or bigger machines or bigger bolts, if you're turning this 2-inch Crowsfoot, you don't want a 3/8 inch drive. I don't want a 3/8 inch drive. So these were a 1/2 inch drive. This is a Vevor set. As you can see, they are very proud of their name, and they put their name all over it. But I do like that they have the sizes on them. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel back this paper and get it on out of here. We'll take a look at one of these. Put that in our trash box here. Yeah, and one of these days I'll get around to getting a better knife, but for right now, this little cheapie seems to be working for everything. Okay, so let's see, 1 5/8 is the wrench that I need for the Bobcat. So this is a nice, it's not a thin little, you know, Chinese like you'd find it, well, I guess that's a bad way of putting it. A thin little overseas wrench like you'd find it, say, Harbor Freight. This is a nice beefy 1/2 inch wrench. It does have the 1/2 inch drive. The 1/2 inch drive is what was important as far as I was concerned. Something this size, I'm going to be putting some torque on it, and I needed something that would be able to turn it. 1/2 inch is about as small as I could go. Obviously I can't get a 3/8 or 3/4 or a 1 inch drive down in there. So 1/2 inch drive is going to be pretty much it. But these are nice. I'll see how well they hold up. They're nice and pretty, shiny set at least. But I do like, they have each one of these, they have their name labeled on them, which I don't particularly care for. I don't care one way or the other. They're not engraved. They're just kind of laser printed on there or ink printed on there or something. But they do have the sizes. I don't know how long that'll last. They also have the sizes here on this little plastic tray. The tray does not have it does not have a cover, so I'm going to keep it in the box. Yeah, this was when they advertised this, it had a little pouch with it. So yeah, you can see here they got it little pouch, but this is in a like a blown plastic thing. It'd be great if you have a large toolbox that you have room to put it. I don't have a large toolbox, so it's going to stay in this tray and go back in the box. That way I don't have any of them fall out and lose them. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. And like I said, this was bought on Amazon. It was cheaper on Amazon than it was on Vevor for the same exact set. So I can't explain why. There's been 2 or 3 things lately that you buy the same Vevor product. This is obviously a Vevor product. You can see the name Vevor on it. But it is cheaper to buy it on Amazon than it is to buy it on Vevor. And granted, it was $5 or $6 cheaper. So it wasn't, let's see, $49.50. Yeah, well, $6 and something cheaper, plus the shipping. Vevor, I would have had to pay the shipping on this particular item, and Amazon, I get the shipping for free. So again, that saves me a little bit extra money. I consider that as the total price for it. But as far as the product's concerned, I mean, these are nice, thick, you know, that's a 1/2 inch of material. I'm not sure the quality of the metal that they use for these, but I mean, if I break it, I break it. But this is a 1/2 inch drive and not the 3/8 inch drive. So I will put links for this below. I think it's a good set, and I'm pretty happy with it so far, unless I just start snapping them. And I'll let you know if that happens, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with the price and the set. It would have been nice if it had the, you know, the roll-up cover for it, but this plastic tray is nice. Maybe later on I'll get a bigger toolbox and I can just put this out in the, you know, in the wrench drawer. But for right now, I've got small little toolboxes left. That's all they've got left. So this is going to go back into the box will go back on the shelf, and when I need it, I know I have it somewhere, and I keep looking till I see a Vevor box and I find it, hopefully. But yeah, these are, let's see, 1 3/8 and 1 16, 1 1/8. So let's see what 1 16 is probably going to be the smallest one in this set. Now, if you need a smaller set of crowsfoots, 3/8 might work, but again, this, even the 1 16 is still, that's pretty close to 1/2 inch right there. You know, it's a solid little piece of metal, and it's got a little weight to it. So, you know, we'll see what it holds up to under pressure. I put a 6-foot pipe on the end of it and start torquing down on it, and we'll find out how good a metal it is. If it breaks, you'll get a video. But if it doesn't, this is your video here. I mean, they're nice chrome finishes. Again, I don't know how well the chrome will hold up. The Vevor name and the numbers, they are not engraved. They're not, you know, into the metal. They're not stamped or ground in. They are just literally printed on there. But as long as they last, that's pretty nice. I like the sizing being on there, and even with my eyes and the, you know, I don't see everything as good as I can, but those letters are big enough I can see them. They're clear enough I can see them. Now, they may fade off after a while. I don't particularly care about the Vevor name being on there, but I like the numbers being on it. Anyway, they're good size. They're easy to see for elderly people who eyes have started to retire early. It is a nice blown case. If you do have a big full-size toolbox, you got a big snap-on box or Cromwell or something like that, and you have the drawer space for it, well, this will fit right into your drawer, and it'll display them very nicely and easy access to find them, keep them nice and organized. If you don't, just like me, and stick it back in the box and keep it on the shelf until you're ready to look for it, and then you say you need these tools and you look for the box that you know you have it in. But saving $6 or $7 buying it from Amazon plus the shipping. I don't know what the shipping was from Vevor off the hand, but you know, I saved at least $10 that way buying it from Amazon versus buying it from Vevor. I can't explain why. I would think buying a Vevor product from Vevor would be cheaper, but this is the second or third thing that I've picked up that it was cheaper to buy the Vevor product on Amazon. So yeah, it's I like the wrench set. If you need a set of crowsfoots and you need a 1/2 inch drive set, you want something that's nice and beefy. I mean, that's an 1 1 3/4 inch crowsfoot wrench with a 1/2 inch drive, and that's a good 1/2 inch piece of metal there. I'll give you my finger for a comparison. Yeah, so if you need them, I'll put the link down below, and thanks for watching.